3, 2, 1. Now we're gonna walk out of this plank and go into skaters. Great. You're hopping from the right foot to the left foot. We'll be doing a series of cardio and strength moves. First, we're starting off with a squat. Take your feet wider than hips distance. Slide your hips back, knees over toes, and stand up. Hold the belly in and up. Collarbone spread wide. Take a deep breath in through your nose. And keep the weight heavy into your heels. Press off the balls of your feet. Keep the shoulders relaxed and the breath big. Take a deep inhale through your nose and a long exhale out of the mouth. Good, a few more seconds. And we're going back into those squats. Hips back. Weight in the heels of your feet. Face is relaxed. Good. Keep moving, just like this. Feel your heart beating in your chest. Take a deep breath in. And back into those jumping jacks. Come on, keep going. Keep reaching through those fingertips. Jump a little bit higher this time around. Come on, get that heart pumping. That's it. 10 seconds. Take a deep breath in. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now we're coming into plank walkouts. Take a long forward fold. Walk your hands out into a plank pose. Pause in your high plank. Hold the belly in and up. Reach through those heels and walk your hands back to your feet. Come all the way up to stand. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, walk yourself back out. Come into your plank pose. And now come into a downward facing dog, hips up and back. And come back into your plank. Now we're going to twist your knee to your opposite elbow. Take your right knee to your left elbow, left knee to right. Keep pressing down into all 10 knuckles. Stay here, keep going for 3, 2, and 1. And back into downward facing dog, hips up and back. Good. Take a deep breath in. On your exhale, come back to your plank hold. We're almost done here. Hold your plank for 10 seconds. Great. Relax your face. 3, 2, 1. Now we're gonna walk out of this plank and go into skaters. Great. You're hopping from the right foot to the left foot. Torso stays lifted. Breath is big. Arms are moving with you. We're here just for another 15 seconds, and then we'll cool down. Stay with me, you're doing great. We're here for 5. Keep the core engaged. 3, 2, and 1. Rest. Reach your arms out and up. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, let the arms go. 2 more times. Reach up, take a deep breath in. And exhale, let the arms go. 1 more time. Biggest breath yet. And exhale, slow. That was great. You can do this 3 to 5 times a week.